Welcome to this Volvo moment.
Volvo recently shared with the world an 18-minute video in which they outline plans for the coming years where electrification and changing customer demands will play a major role in what they sell and how they sell it. In this video, I'll highlight some key takeaways from Volvo's latest major announcement about how they'll transition to an all-electric motoring future, and how keeping their eyes on constantly changing customer demands is helping pave the way there. First, the shift towards electrification is going to happen fast. Volvo says that they're adapting to and embracing the changes, and that while that doesn't happen overnight, it will probably happen faster than what we're used to in the automotive industry. Last year, 1 in 3 Volvos sold in Europe was a plug-in hybrid. Volvo calls these models Recharge. By 2025, Volvo predicts that the electric vehicle, or EV, will make up half of their sales. And finally, by 2030, Volvo predicts that all of their cars will be electric. Second, electric is where the growth is, and online is the way there. The customers driving this new growth in EVs put a high value on convenience. That's where online sales comes in, and Volvo is promising a real online experience, not a digital wholesale process. So the shopper will be able to order a custom configured car to match their specific tastes, or choose pre-configured models for more rapid delivery. The automaker says these will be simple, intuitive cars sold with transparent pricing and easy to order, and that the online sales experience will work in parallel with retail partners for a flawless process online or off. An extensive care package will be available to add further convenience, bundling the vehicle purchase with insurance, maintenance, warranty, and even home charging installation with just a few clicks from anywhere in the world. Number 3, the customer expects responsible sourcing. One way to satisfy company values and shopper demands in this regard is by ensuring that all materials used in Volvo products are sourced as responsibly as possible. Using the battery as an example, Volvo says they've partnered up with their suppliers to help deal with a large amount of critical raw materials for the battery that need to be responsibly sourced. One solution was to implement blockchain technology for cobalt, allowing Volvo to secure it, but also to know where the material is coming from all the way down to the mine. Volvo says they'll couple that approach with audits and on-the-ground monitoring to ensure they have responsible sourcing in place. Further, and as a sign of changing customer demand, Volvo says that all upcoming full electric models will be sold leather-free. And fourth, the new Volvo C40 brings it all to life. The incoming C40 is the first step forward in the journey. This is the first electric-only Volvo. It's also the first Volvo to be sold online only. Look for twin-motor drive and a 78 kWh battery that can charge to 80% in about 40 minutes. Volvo claims an anticipated range of about 420 kilometers, and says that figure will improve over time as the vehicle's software is updated over the air. Volvo's Chief Technology Officer, Henrik Green, says that the day a brand new car leaves the factory is no longer necessarily its finest. So the C40 shows us where Volvo is going: all electric, leather-free, available exclusively online with an available care package, continuously updated, and delivered quickly with an unlimited data plan built in. So that's a taste of things to come from the world of Volvo and the world of electric motoring. My name's Justin Pritchard for Driving.ca. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below so you never miss a new upload, and until next time, take care and drive safe.